Well, hello again, nice to see you. Welcome to day 5 of Build Sell 30 Challenge. Today we are doing some more artistic work, that's why I'm dressed artistically. Today we'll be designing the user interface for our SaaS beeper. So sit tight and enjoy the process. First, let's lose the hat. Today we'll be designing the app, but the first thing when it comes to design is the software. Personally, I love to use Figma, which is a free software. I basically replaced Photoshop with Figma. Every thumbnail you see on this channel is made inside Figma. I mean the clouds, the graphical design, but the images themselves are tweaked a little bit in Lightroom. Guilty. So if you don't know Figma, this is a perfect tool for designing and prototyping your apps and websites. I use it many times. I introduced it in 2 companies right now. So you can say I'm kind of a Figma hipster. But Figma has some great prototyping features like framing. You can also see how the designs are looking. You can also pick frame for particular devices. So right now I picked the frame for iPhone 13 Pro and I will be designing the app based on that. I won't be doing this kind of live coding, live designing thing. You'll see the time-lapse of this while I'll be designing the beeper app, and later we'll discuss the result. Keep your fingers crossed. So I can safely say that the design is ready. I really like it. And I thought it would be a lot harder. Since I wrote down everything I wanted yesterday, it was very easy to read my notes from yesterday and then just dig into it. I'm really happy how it turned out. So here is the main screen where you can see there's only one button, which has the QR code icon on it. So it's safe to say that's self-explanatory. I think I will put description beneath it just to make sure everything is clear. And then after you press this button, here you have 2 modes that app will be operating in. So one is the QR code at the table, so when you're sitting at the table and then you want to ask something. And then self-service place, which means you're scanning the QR code when you're placing your order. So when you're at the table, after you scan the QR code, you're presented with 3 buttons, as well as this mocked up logo I made up very quickly. It will be different for every client that I have. So every client will upload his logo to the system, which then it will be displayed here as this nice kind of branding component, because it's mainly the product for the clients, right? The beeper is just down below in the footer where it says powered by beeper. I think I very like this kind of shift in importance. So client is here, beeper is here, but still heavily visible. After you press any of those 3 buttons, you're redirected to this wait page where it says somebody will come to your table very shortly, please wait, which means basically that somebody will come. And I think I will add a button here that says go back, and maybe I will have to add this indicator that you already requested somebody to come and how much time you're waiting, but we'll do it tomorrow, it's already late, as usual. The second mode is when you are at self-service place and you place your order, you sat at your table, and you're presented with this screen where is the order number, how much time are you waiting for your order. And also I thought this is different from yesterday, that it would be nice to have the I have a question button right here as well. Maybe you have some question, maybe they will come and resolve your issues. After the order is ready, so after the client will receive a notification, he will be presented with the second screen that your order is ready, and basically the whole process restarts again. I didn't design the app for the staff side because it's more technical. It will be just a simple list with orders and just a notification who's waiting. I think it will be presenting 1 or 2 tables depending on the mode the client is operating in, and basically that's it. It will be very technical, very responsive. I mean, maybe they use tablets, small tablets, smartphones or something else. And yeah, that's basically it. The one thing I want to show you is that Figma has this great feature. I talked about it in my previous series when I'm working on my social media app. You can check it out in the channel. It's like 3 videos up, nothing more. I interrupted the development process to make this challenge, but I also talked about this. Figma has this great feature that you can mirror your screen and see how your design is looking on the physical device. Since I did the prototyping here, so you can see all the lines, meaning when I tap on certain parts, I'll be redirected to different screens on the phone. It kind of immerses you in this experience like you're using the real app. So let's change the view and see how it looks on the phone. So this is the app. As you can see, the big QR code button. When you press it, this is the mock of the camera, where for now you can pick which mode you want to see the design for. Here you have the self-service place. So you have the order number, how many minutes are you waiting, and then the message when you press the notification telling you that your order is ready. Because again, this is for the mock only, just to restart everything. Pressing a button won't restart everything in the production version. So you're checking the second version, the mode of the client sitting at the table, and then you're presented with 3 buttons. No matter which one you pick, it shows you the message that somebody will come to your table shortly. In the production version, or maybe something further than MVP, I want this to be animated. I love micro engagements and I think it will be a nice touch, but maybe not for the MVP. So that's all I have time for today. As usual, subscribe if you want to follow the progress. Make sure to like and share it. It really helps. I gained a lot of friends during this 5-day period, and I really love the grind, as some of you say, and I'm really looking forward for tomorrow, when hopefully I will start some coding. So expect some more exciting stuff, and I will leave you here. Stay safe, have a good night and a great day. See you tomorrow, and I will go back to the read. Oh, I forgot my glasses. Yeah. See you tomorrow.